Imagine a world where your medicine is made just for you, printed like a document, right inside a hospital or pharmacy. Welcome to the future of drug delivery, 3D printed pills. 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, is a cutting-edge technology that builds objects layer by layer. In pharmacy, it's now being used to create pills, precisely shaped, dosed, and designed for each individual patient. Why do we need 3D printing in pharmacy? Because not every patient is the same. 3D printing allows for customized doses, multiple drugs in a single pill, and fast production during emergencies. In 2015, the US FDA approved the first ever 3D printed drug, Spritam or levetiracetam, used for epilepsy. It was developed by Pharmaceuticals using a unique technology called ZipDose. This innovation wasn't just for show, it had a powerful purpose: to help patients who struggle to swallow traditional tablets. ZipDose technology uses a specialized 3D printing process that creates a highly porous structure. The pill is made layer by layer, allowing it to hold a large dose, up to 1,000 milligrams, while still dissolving rapidly in the mouth. It only takes a sip of water to disintegrate the tablet within seconds. There's no need for chewing or swallowing whole. Here's how it works. First, a digital design is created. Then, a 3D printer deposits layers of the drug material. It's carefully dried and shaped into a pill. The result? A ready-to-use, customized medicine. 3D printed pills offer many benefits: personalized doses, fewer tablets for complex treatments, better patient adherence, and less drug waste. They're especially helpful for children, the elderly, and patients with swallowing difficulties. This technology is already making a difference in pediatric care, cancer treatments, and remote health clinics. Imagine printing a critical medicine on demand during an emergency. That's the power of 3D pharmacy. But there are challenges. The cost of 3D printers is high, regulatory approval takes time, and pharmacists need special training to operate these systems. In the near future, we may see 3D printers inside hospitals and pharmacies, powered by AI to design personalized pills. This could completely change how we deliver medications to patients. From science fiction to pharmacy reality, 3D printed pills are redefining drug delivery. Would you take a 3D printed medicine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at Decode for more medical insights. Thank you for watching.